place grid lines. Here we have a simple class. Now we're going to place grid lines vertically with 8 meter distance apart. And we also will do it horizontally with 8 meters distance. So let's go to architecture and select grid. Let's pick the first point of the grid line. That is, now we have placed it as 1. So if you want to change this into a letter, just click here and you can set it into letter A if you want, or we'll just maintain it as letter A first. So the next grid line we have to offset by 8 meter, which is 8,000 mm. So we'll go to architecture again, grid. Then here we're going to set offset of negative 8,000. If you place positive F8,000, it will be going to the left side. So negative, it's going to the right side. So let's click the first point and click the second. Now we're going to set. Enter. Click escape. Click the third grid line. So it's offset by 8 meters distance. Click escape twice. Now if you want to change, let's say the dimension in between is, or from the last grid line, 2 grid lines is not 8 meters, you can set a dimension here. Use the modify tool, dimension. Now you see the dimension is 8 meters. Just click here. Please escape first to exit the dimension command. Click the grid line B. Then go to the dimension, set it at 10 meters. Click enter, then the grid line will be adjusted automatically to the set dimension. Now let's set another grid line which is horizontal. Let's start with architecture, grid, select the first point. I will first place the letter here. Let's say this one I want to change into a number. So let's create one. Now again, go to architecture, grid. Let's offset it by negative 8,000 or negative 8 meters. So it will be moving downwards. So let's set the first point. Now we have to make it positive 8,000. So it's going downwards. Select first point. Select second. Click escape twice. One time. Don't exit the command. So click the third grid line. Click the fourth grid. Now to push this line downwards, so let's select it. Click a selection box. Select it and just drag it down so you can extend the lines. Then click escape again twice. Now you have created your first grid line. So here we're going to lock it. Make sure it's locked so it doesn't move. Also here. Second thing is you can also pin this window so you cannot select it. Just make sure it's pinned. So now you cannot delete it. Even you try to delete it, it will give you a warning sign that the object is moving. So you cannot accidentally delete it. So that is how to place grid lines in Revit.